Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing bread upma recipe, a very healthy, tasty and filling meal perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make bread upma, I'm using my homemade whole wheat artisan bread. I've already shared how to make artisan bread with whole wheat flour. Please do check the recipe on my channel. I'm using about 5 to 6 slices of the artisan bread and I have sliced into smaller pieces. My roti tawa is heated and I'm placing the bread slices on the roti tawa. What I'm doing is I'm lightly toasting the bread slices. So these are leftover bread slices which I have again sliced into small pieces. Toast the bread slices for about 3 to 5 minutes on one side and then flip it over, and once toasted, remove to a plate. Toasting the bread slices will prevent the bread from being soggy once the upma is done. But this is entirely optional. You can also make this without toasting the bread like this, or you can toast it in a pop-up toaster or in an oven, whichever way is easier and ideal for you. While the bread is getting toasted, I have gotten ready the other ingredients. I have chopped one medium-sized onion, 1/4 of a ginger, 3 cloves of garlic. I'll be chopping 2 tomatoes, already chopped 1 green chilli and a small handful of coriander leaves. Since mutton or fresh green peas are in season, I'm using a handful of fresh green peas. You can also use frozen green peas instead. 1 grated carrot. I'm also chopping half of a medium-sized capsicum. You can add in any vegetable you have at hand, any seasonal vegetable of your choice. And the other main ingredients are ready. These are leftover bread slices and is a couple of days old. And once that side is lightly toasted, turn off the flame and transfer to a plate. Once the bread slices has lightly cooled down, just crumble into smaller pieces. This is 100% whole wheat bread, hence it is slightly dense. Bread upma is a very filling, healthy meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. If you have leftover homemade bread at hand, you can easily make bread upma with that. I have roughly crumbled the bread slices, and this will be 2 cups of crumbled and toasted bread slices. Heat a cast iron kadai or a heavy bottomed cast iron pan with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. Try to use wood pressed oils, as healthy fats helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 pinches of jeera. Jeera is also known as cumin seeds. And once it splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in the ginger garlic, chopped ginger and garlic, green chilli and the onion. Give it a stir. I've reduced the flame to the lowest and I'm allowing the onions to turn transparent. While the onions are sauteing, I'm chopping the tomatoes. The onion is now transparent and has started to turn light pink in color. At this stage, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, and give this a mix. Allow the spices to lightly roast in the oil for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then add in the chopped tomatoes. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Remember, there is salt in the bread, so add salt accordingly. And give this a stir. And lightly mash the tomatoes. Cast iron retains more heat and that helps in cooking the ingredients really fast. Into that, I'm adding in the fresh green peas and grated carrot. Give it a stir. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a stir. Add in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Stir well. Add in the chopped capsicum. I'm adding the capsicum towards the end because I like the crunch of the capsicum to be retained. Stir well. Add in the bread pieces and give it a good stir. So this is a very quick and easy meal which you can make for breakfast, lunch or dinner, especially if you are living alone and if you have some good quality bread slices at hand. Leftover bread slices. Stir well so that the bread is nicely coated with the ingredients. Since the bread is lightly toasted, it will not be sticky and any residue moisture will be absorbed by the toasted bread. And lastly, I'm sprinkling in the chopped coriander leaves, and my super healthy, quick and easy bread upma is ready to serve. You can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in at this stage. Turn off the flame and serve it hot. So guys, do try this healthy bread upma recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.